20 years ago, you typed "best pizza near me" into a search bar and clicked through 10 blue links. Today, you simply ask your phone, "Where can I get a pizza that is open late?" and get a direct answer. This shift is a fundamental change in how we process information. Traditional search engines force us to act as curators, sorting through advertisements and SEO-driven articles. Conversational AI acts as a filter, synthesizing millions of data points into a single, actionable response. We are moving from a world of searching to a world of asking. Think about your morning routine. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are now personal interfaces mediating our relationship with the internet. This means the death of the click-through economy. Websites relying solely on search traffic will struggle as AI keeps users on its own platform. Content creators must pivot now. We are entering an era where the most valuable skill is not finding information, but asking the right questions to get the most accurate result. The browser is not disappearing. It is becoming a background utility. The conversation has just begun.